Founded in 2004, LvSheng Paper and Plastic Products Company Limited is located in Xiamen Torch High-Tech Zone, and our self-owned building occupies 18,000 square meters. LvSheng has equipped itself with most advanced fully automatic and high-speed machines. We employ more than 180 skilled workers, and our daily output is 7 million pieces. Our factory produces single and double wallpaper cups, French fries scoops, paper bowls, paper buckets, plastic cups with lids, hamburger boxes, takeaway bags, and so on. As a professional manufacturer of ecological packaging products for food and beverage industry, we look forward to establishing a long and mutually beneficial relationship with your company.